what are the types of colors we are having. Any particular computer or any particular TV, whatever the thing you are choosing, you can able to see the three main colors which are mixed to provide different types of colors, that are red, green and blue. It is called RGB. If you are going to notice this particular diagram, each and every color code is separated by two commas, that is, which is going to start with triple zeros, which specifies black, and triple one, which specifies color white, 011, which specifies color KL, and 010, which specifies color green, 110, which specifies color yellow, 001, which specifies color blue, 101, which specifies color magenta. If you are going to consider colors, there are 16 basic colors which we are using in HTML. Here we are having a different colors: aqua, black, navy blue and many other colors. If you are going to see the hexadecimal notation, which is going to shown in a similar manner which we have given in the previous one, 000, which specifies black. In a similar manner, hexadecimal notation is also specifying the same color. Each and every particular color is associated with 00, 00 and 00. And if you are going to see the blue, so we are going to place F wherever we are going to place blue and some other color. So red, which is having in the previous one 100 red. In a similar manner, here you can able to notice in hexadecimal notation FF0000. It means in the previous slide, if you are going to notice for red, you can able to see 100, and here if you are going to see the red color, FF0000. So in this manner you are going to see whatever the color you want. If I am going to open the MS Paint, you can able to notice here in Paint, you can able to notice here we are having more colors. Here whenever you are going to give random numbers, at that time it is going to choose a color in a different color from an palette. It is going to choose color mentioned by the user. Here you can able to see the different types of colors. Now body element. The body element of a web page is an important element in this regards, which is used to show the particular text in the body. For example, we have created a web page without body in our particular document, which is example1.html. Now here the particular document is incomplete without mentioning the body. For that point of view, I am going to mention the body tag, and body tag is also starts and ends with less than angular brace and ends with greater than angular brace, and the ending tag is associated with backslash body body. Now within the body, I am going to type the text. I am going to just type something. Whatever text I am typing here is shown in web browser. So now I am going to save the particular document. Already it was saved by the file name .html. So how you are going to save the file name? Name of name .html. Name of the file .html, or you can able to save the file name of file .htm. Both are acceptable, but be cautious. If you are saving the file .htm and you are calling the file name .html, you cannot able to retrieve the element whenever you are going to call the particular document. Now I have saved this particular document. I have opened the browser and I am going to have a refresh. Now you can able to notice here it is going to show whatever the text I am typing here, it is shown in web browser. That is what here we have seen. Now we are going to keep the attribute of body color, body background color, which is mentioned as white. FF, FF, FF. So which you are going to type 3 times, it is mentioned by default. So now I am going to open the notepad and here I am going to type what is the background color. Body is having a options, we are having a BG color. Now I am going to type BG color equal to, so now what I am going to type in double quotes is color which I am going to choose. I am going to choose some particular color 00 FF and 00 followed by double quotes. So now this particular color will be mentioned as a background color. Now I have saved the document by pressing Ctrl S, and now I am going to open this particular browser and I am going to refresh this particular browser. So now it has chosen the color randomly by green. Let us see by typing the another color. Here I am going to type FF. Now I have saved this program and I am going to open my web browser. I am refreshing the document. Now it is shown yellow color. Now what I am going to do it again, I am going to type here some particular number 88. You can even type instead of 0, it will be choosing some other random color. Now I am refreshing the document, it has chosen lighter yellow. In a similar manner, I am going to change 55 and I have saved the document, I have refreshed the document. Now the color is changed, and here instead of FF I am going to type 11. So now I have saved the document, now I refresh the document, it has shown in purple color. In this manner you can able to notice whatever the things you are going to reflect within the body background color, that is reflected. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.